Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about confidence interval. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to create about a 95% confident interval. So the formula of this one, we have upper bound and lower bound. So for this one, we have mu plus t alpha over number 2, and we have standard deviation over the square root of n. This one, the lower bound, so we have the negative sign here. So we see that n equals to 75. So we can use about this t table in here. And we know that 75 is about somewhere in here. So we can select about z equal to 1.960 in here. Because n is greater than or equal to 30, that is very large. And we can select about this number in here. And that's about 1.96 for this one. So the mean we have 37.5 plus 1.96 multiplied by 18.5 over the square root of 75. Now similar for the second one. So this one we have 41.69, and this one we have 33.31, and the bounds for this one should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.